Punjab farm fires are raging allegedly unchecked. Is the state of Punjab the main culprit in rising farm fires, which is contributing to the pollution across North India? Punjab farm fires have recorded almost threefold increase. Let's go across to Mohammad Ghazali for more on this. Ghazali, what is the reason? Why does Punjab have such a poor report card when it comes to farm fires?
See, every year we see that how state and central governments exchange letters between them. The state chief minister will write to the prime minister that farmers should be incentivized. They should be given 100 rupees per quintal to manage their paddy stubble. But this has not happened. Even last year, the Supreme Court had to intervene and had asked the state governments of UP, Punjab and Haryana to give 100 rupees per quintal to those farmers who have not burnt their stubble. But even that order last year came at the end of the harvesting season, when almost 90% of the paddy field had been harvested. This year, the paddy sowing was advanced by 10 days in the month of June, and so the harvesting has also advanced. It has the harvesting picked up in the month of September. The officials say that that could be the reason behind the increased farm fire as compared to the last year. But even by those measures, if we see, the government claims that they have distributed around 60,000 machines in the entire state so that farmers can get it on rental. The small and marginal farmers are even exempted from paying that rental, but still, many farmers in Punjab we spoke to in the last couple of days, they say that they own old tractors which are not compatible with the heavy stubble machinery. This is one reason where farmers have no access to machine, and even those farmers who can afford the machine, they say that this is managing the stubble in 1 acre of land is not something which can be done with just one machine. It involves 2 or 3 machines where you first have to clear the field with the stubble, then you have to either mix it in the soil or you have through baler. There is one machine through which you can make that a bundle and you can send it to the biomass plants where it is used as a fuel. But even that is not happening on a very large scale, because it's not a very sort of on a commercial scale, it's not happening. And even by all the standards, if we see, managing paddy stubble for a small and marginal farmer who are around 60% of the entire population in Punjab, it is very costly affair, and that is why farmers are resisting if government asks them not to burn the paddy stubble.
Right. Mohammad Ghazali, thanks very much for joining us with those details from Chandigarh. Let's take it to the politicians now. Joining me is Hardeep Kingra of the Punjab Congress and Ashok Thakur, leader of the BJP, also director of NEFED. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us on this broadcast. Let's go to Mr. Kingra first. Sir, why is it that the main culprit in these farm fires in North India is Punjab? UP and Haryana have seen a big drop in fires, but not Punjab. Why?
Rohit, the data is not properly, scrutinized. If you look at the land under fire or land under management, the land under paddy stubble management has gone up from 30,000 to 63,000 hectares percent higher, whereas the number of fires have gone from 7,000 to 14,000, which is an indicator that the number of fires have increased, because number of fires are no indicator how much area has been burnt. The number of fires, that means the small farmers are burning. There must be less number of fires because small farmers are entering into it. The reason being that paddy management is a costly affair for marginal farmers. So government will have to think. First, you will have to cut the stubble, then you will have to make the stubble into rows, and then that stubble is to be baled out. This is the kind of management which
your party is in power in the state. How many farmers have you compensated? The Supreme Court had asked the government to provide 100 rupees per quintal to small and marginal farmers who didn't burn stubble. How many farmers have you compensated? Have you helped?
No, this is, the compensation, the state is already deprived of a lot of money. The government of India will have to compensate for this. Or let me tell you one thing, that people, those who suffer from pollution, they will have to contribute something to the origin of the pollution.
So the center will have to help you. Let me, Mr. Kingra, let me ask this to Mr. Thakur. Mr. Thakur, is the center going to give money to the Punjab government so that they can help farmers?
This subject directly belongs to states, and states have to plan according to their requirements, and when they will send their requirements, then both center and state government together will do it.
So you are saying the state government has to do, the state government is saying the center has to do. So it's really not the farmers' responsibility, as farmers are not supposed to be blamed for this stubble burning. It's the politics, right?
farmers cannot be blamed because if they are incurring loss in disposing of this paddy, then it will be very
Yes. But the
difficult
state
for
is
them.
saying they are short of funds. They can't compensate the farmers.
No, this is this cannot be an excuse for any state. You have to make this profitable.
If the paddy
Can you
contributes a lot to
incentivize?
the-
Can you incentivize? Can the stubble be utilized in a better way, Mr. Kingra?
Oh yes, of course, the stubble can be utilized in a best way. They
Why is
can
that
be
not
burnt
happening,
and
sir?
Power can be produced out of the stubble. But at the same time, taking stubble out of the farm is not cost effective. You know, the farmers, particularly the marginal farms with 1 acre, 2 acre, 2.5 acre of land, they are unable to purchase the heavy tractors which can operate those machines. There are 3 kinds of machines which will be used to take the stubble out of the farm. And all those machines are very heavy, require very heavy tractors, and they have a cost of hiring also. And that hiring cost will have to be borne by somebody. Farmers are already not getting the remunerative price for their paddy or for their produce. And putting an additional cost on that to the farmer is certainly making the farmer, the business of the farming or the profession of farming, just uneconomical, which is already there. It is already uneconomical to do farming. I am doing farming myself.
So the central government is not helping the farmers. The state government is saying
it is the intention of the central government, Rohit, because 100 rupees is not an issue. I have worked in government of India for a large number of years.
Yes.
A few crore rupees or few thousand crore rupees doesn't make any difference in the kitty of the central government.
Mr.
But
Thakur,
the central government is not inclined
few
to
thousand
do
crores
it.
don't make any difference. Why don't you release that fund to the state is what Mr. Kingra is saying.
नहीं देखिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ पहले भी भारत सरकार ने जो है बहुत सारा मशीन पर सब्सिडी दी है और इसको पराली के संबंध में जो भी डिस्पोज ऑफ करने का जो जितना भी काम है उसमें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हेल्प कर रही है मैंने आपसे ये कहा कि दिस इज ए स्टेट सब्जेक्ट एंड दे हैव टू प्लान
All right.
And whatever they will plan, they can ask from the central government, and central government is ready to help them.
Right.
But they are not working on the ground.
So it's back to square one. The center is blaming the state is blaming the center. So in any case, the farmers, it seems, should not be blamed for this stubble burning here. It's the politics that is being played in their name. Thank you very much, both the gentlemen, Mr. Kingra and Mr. Thakur, for joining us.